Thank you. For this last few numbers, I'm going to ask my friend Jared to come join me. Yeah. So this song's called I Want You Like a Seatbelt. It came after after Sybil was like, you know, you should really write a song that people could actually understand. So, this came from that request.
Oh, sweet, thank you. Yeah, sure. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Jake.
Hey, birthday boy. He's a rock star.
Thank you, Dan. This is weird.
Actually, put it this way, on third fret. Third fret, yeah. Is that going to mess you up?
No, I don't. Is the chords the same?
Yes.
Got lots of picks.
I'm good. Hey, oh, it's broken. These low quality picks you got.
Just rocking too hard up here.
Sorry about that. Good?
Yep.
All right.
You ready?
Well.
I was born ready, that's what you
No.
Deep breath, deep breath.
I like chromes and chrome headlights, carnivores and canines, boardwalk girls who play nice cars and their engines, a bridge in its suspension, the sun shadowing the east. And I like how your dress looks with that lampshade. People always tell me you're the best friend they ever made. Take me to the commune. We can live with Cat Stevens. He can play the tambourine. Yes, I like to live up in a house that lives up in a tree. Only you and me. Maybe a kid, maybe three. Maybe from the top you can see that I want you across my hips, passing low and tight, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of the night. We can let the world fall away one kiss at a time. Yes, I like my Mustangs on shot, the Kai Wolves of Cape Cod, the Tillerman and Big Maud, gone but not forgotten, the wind catching a caution, so let it all be free. Or let's take another unplanned road trip, leave behind New England, maybe we can find our lefty sister Ingrid, leave the frozen rivers for some place we never see. Yes, I like to live up in a house that lives up in a tree. Only you and me, maybe a kid, maybe three. Maybe from the top you can see that I want you across my hips, passing low and tight, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of the night. We can let the world fall away one kiss at a time. Yes, I want you across my hips, Let the world fall away one kiss at a time. That's perfect.
Sweet. All right, we're gonna do one more.
Get the minute beer.